Today I'll be cooking pork chops and potatoes. And for vegetables, we're going to have a mixture of peas and corn. Hello y'all, thanks for stopping by. The ingredients I will be using. Okay, I have 4 thick cut pork chops right here. And you see chicken because my son does not eat pork chops. He eat pork, but not the chops, okay? And for the season, my pork chops, I'm going to use the seasoning salt. And I'm going to use this flour here. You know, it's already got some seasoning in that. Okay, and for the potatoes, I'm going to season those with just some salt and pepper. Okay. Okay, I scrub my potatoes clean with a vegetable brush. You know, because I'm keeping the skin on, and you know they can be pretty dirty. Okay. So we're gonna cut them like this. Okay, guys, the trick that I use to keep the potato from rocking, you know, when you cut it, is I cut it this way first. I didn't show y'all on the first one that I cut. Okay, see? Then you can, it doesn't rock. And you can cut yourself. See? I'll show you again. Just cut a little bit off the back. Like that. Okay? Okay, I have a little oil in the pan. Now I'm going to add my potatoes. Gotta make sure the oil is hot, y'all. Okay? Because we want these to cook pretty fast. And it may sound like that because, you know, the water in the potato. So I'm just going to drop all these in here. Yes, I used all the potato, little piece I cut off that I showed y'all to keep it from rocking. Use that too. Okay. Or it could be a little hotter, but that's okay. Okay. Okay, I'm going to add some pepper. Y'all, this thing is loud. Okay. Going to add some salt. I'm going to let these cook until they get some color on them. Okay. You want to keep flipping your potatoes until they get brown like that. You know, let them cook some, y'all. Don't keep messing with them. Just let them, you know, and then check them like, I don't know how often, but just keep checking on them, okay? You don't want them to burn. Okay? Okay, y'all. I'm going to cut the onion up. I just peeled it. Forgot to get the camera to show y'all how to peel it. Or how I peeled it. Sorry about that. Y'all, it's hot up in this kitchen today. I don't know what's going on. Okay? And I'm just going to slice it. Like that. Okay? Okay. See, some of the potatoes have, you know, the color on it like I was talking about. And you see how they done. See how they breaking all apart like that? They are done. They're done. Okay? Now I'm going to add the onions. Gonna add a cup of water. This is a 2-cup measuring cup, but it's at the 1-cup line, okay? Cup of water. Like that. Gonna add some more salt and pepper. Okay. I'm gonna let them cook down till there's no more water in them. Okay, while the potatoes are cooking, I already seasoned one side of the pork chops. I'm gonna season the other side. Like that. I don't put too much seasoning on them, y'all, because you know, pork already a little salty, and ain't nobody got time for me having no headache. Okay, now I'm gonna place them in the bag with the flour, with the seasoned flour. I'm just gonna toss them up. Okay, now I'm gonna put the pork chops in the oil. Oil look like this because I just used it. You can see it's still hot for the chicken. I did the chicken first, okay? And if I didn't mention, I got these pork chops from Sam's. Okay, and we're just gonna let these cook up. Okay, I'm also gonna bake some pork chops, and the seasoning that I have on these is some Lawry seasoning salt and the Mrs. Dash Italian blend. And I'm gonna bake these for 30 minutes with 350 degrees, okay? I'm gonna show y'all these at the end of this video, okay? Okay, this is what the potatoes look like when the water cooked down off of them. Okay, something like a, what they call it, scallop potatoes. Okay, we're gonna plate it up so you can also see what the pork chop look like. Okay, this is the fried chicken that I did, the chicken breast. Okay, and when it came out the oil, I dipped it in some barbecue sauce. Okay, and he has potatoes, and he also has the peas and the corn. These are canned peas and corn. Okay. All right, and right here, let me get this out of the way. Right here is our pork chop. Doesn't it look beautiful? I mean, if you're into pork chops, it will look good to you, okay? If you're not, then, okay, of course it wouldn't look good to you. Okay, and here's our potatoes, and the peas, and the corn. Okay, y'all, I almost forgot to show y'all the baked pork chop. This is what this looked like right here. Okay. Y'all, please check out another one of my videos. I appreciate y'all for watching this one. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're new here, welcome.